we can do it where we travel down the leg. And here's what I mean. So this, then this, then this, then this, and now I'm going to turn around and end up on this side. And all you do is alternate. It's really easy. All you do is just alternate the stalls and alternate the side of the body that the stalls are on. So if you look at it from the front, which will end up being the back, I will end up being ass facing if I do one cycle of it. I'll go out, out, in, in. Now, inversion organized legs 1, where I had you go out and in, you did do the same motion, but now I want you to turn 90 degrees. And so at this point, you'll be giving yourself a mutual reach around. Your one hand will be coming under from the back, the other hand will be coming under from the front. Then what you're gonna do is switch them so that the one that's on the back is gonna come under from the front. So you can bring it up over the top of your leg and stall. And then you're gonna take the other one over the top of your leg as you turn, and then you step back to butterfly from behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to front. Left out, left under, and then you turn to your right. And then your left hand should be on your ass cheek and your right hand should be on your crotch. Then you're gonna take your left hand, put it on your, come from your crotch side, and then you're gonna take your right hand and come from your ass side. And as you do that, you turn so that you're facing away from me. Well, you pivot to a T stance. You go from a T stance like this to a V stance to a T stance. Here, you step forward and come back into overhand butterfly, split time. So it would be 5, 6, 7, 8. Left out, left from the ass, right from the crotch, left from the crotch, right from the ass, turning back to the back. Your version, I want you to actually do the pattern twice in a row connected to itself. So the first time you would be facing me, the second time you'd be ass away, but I'm gonna do it ass away first time so you can see it from the back view. So 1, 2, ass, crotch, crotch, ass, turn, and then I'm back here, right? But then I step the same foot back and do the same pattern. So right foot back while I go, ass, crotch, crotch, ass, turn, back to where I started. So left, right, left, right, left, right, turn and step, right, left, right, back to the start. If we were to do just the left hand, it would be like this. You step your right foot back, you go left out, then left from the ass, left from the crotch, turn and step left out, then turn left from the ass, left from the crotch, and then back to butterfly as your feet step together. Then the right would be step back and right out, then right crotch, right ass, turn, step forward, then right out, right crotch, right ass, back to overhand butterfly. And then when you come out of here, remember to turn immediately. And when the left comes from the ass to the crotch, you turn and step. And if you wanted to continue the pattern, instead of turning and stepping, you would turn and step forward so that there was space so that you could just continue the pattern. Left, right, left, right, left, right, turn and step, right, left, right, back to the start.